Welcome, my name is Iron. I am created by engineer Mohammed Mashour to control in devices connected to Iron. I will tell you instructions to interact with me. To close system at any time, said thank you. To continue used Iron, said Iron.
Iron.
How can I help you, sir?
Turn on light.
Okay sir, the light is on.
Turn off light.
Okay sir, the light is off.
Close the door.
Okay sir, the door is off.
Open the door.
Okay sir, the door is on.
What is the status of door?
Now the door is on.
Thank you, Iron. Iron.
How can I help you, sir?
Thank you, Iron.
I am happy to help you, sir. Goodbye.